Week 8, Journal for Parent Complaint Access. Got a phone call from an angry parent. Yes, that happens a lot as admin. That used to be something I specialized in. I would like to remind people of the famous saying of you have 2 ears and 1 tongue. So listen more, speak less. So really let the parents talk and hear out their concerns and try to help them out in any way we can, but stick to the rules, but really listen first. The scenario has happened on campus. We've had lots of meetings like this. When students start, they tend to work really hard and be studious, and then they kind of lag off or plateau a bit, or maybe they get hormones, or they start hanging out with new friends that might get in trouble, or students start rebelling against their parents, and so then they might be removed from honors because they're not doing the work. And our goal is to help the students stay on track and help them graduate. I really did take some time pondering about equity, access, school policy, and viewpoints for a scenario like this because it does come up quite a bit. It's important for students to have the right GPA for access to honors. Some students test well, but they don't have the GPA for they don't complete the assignments correctly and on time. So they're smart, but they don't do enough work to be in honors, and you can just show, here's what we need to do, let's help your student get to that point. It's important to refer to the school policy and ask top supervisors for this opinion on this matter, and then write it up so it's in the student handbook, so it's the correct policy and formatted so you can refer to the handbook or a number. Really think about the viewpoints for the parents. They know the student is smart, that we get, and definitely acknowledge that. And the student got past test scores. Ask the student maybe, do they want to be in honors? How can we help them get there? What classes do you need tutoring in? How can we be of service? The admin can ask their teachers about the student and an opinion about the scenario and try to form a common idea, a plan to help the kid. And then here's my message. Dear family, thank you so much for taking the time to ask about your student's progress. We did an evaluation. We found out the student tragically did not meet the 3.0 GPA. We'd like to help you make it better. It was also noticed the test scores are high, and back in their freshman year, the student did earn an A in Honors Language Art. That is phenomenal. We want to get back to that point. Please set up an appointment so we can review strategies to help your child be successful. For our school wants students to do well in school. Also, has there been any changes that might affect the GPA? And is there a teacher you would like to be present? Who would you like at the meeting? We will definitely have the students' counselors to talk about GPA, tutoring, studying skills, and write a format or a plan, any solutions to help our students reach their full potential. We're here to help. We're going to get through this together. Let us know how we can be of service. Thanks again, Ms. Munoz.